Hi, my name is Mark Jaffe, and I am a St. Louis developer and real estate investor in commercial and residential buildings. I went solar for the first time in March of 2014. I have two residential buildings in the Central West End that have 25 kW apiece. I have the Fair Mercantile here. I think we're close to 100 kW here. I have 301 Sovereign, which is another large one. I think it's probably close to 100 kW. 745 Craig Road in Creve Coeur, and we have Ellisville Point on Manchester Road. My tenants are excited about it because they might have a green initiative ideology like I do, but they might not be able to participate in that residentially at their home because it's just not set up for it, or their apartment or whatever. So they're excited to know that at least they're contributing. The projections that we initially saw turned out long-term to be very accurate. And that allows us to reinvest in other energy efficient items. I think that if you use a decent amount of electricity, the ROI, the return on investment, is higher than you're going to achieve in almost anything other than maybe your core business. We're long-term partners with you guys and looking for our next deal to do the solar, and we're trying to push it as hard as we can.